soccer ball. That was a soccer ball, not a basket. Anyways, this is Remy Storm Spotter at your News Live. It is currently 61 degrees outside, high of 76, and a low of 52. I kind of ran out here. Right now, it's perfectly sunny. There's like, I see 3 clouds that are like microscopic. But it is going to get cloudy later in the day. Scattered severe thunderstorms possible at around 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. today. So stay weather aware. These could also bring lots of tornadoes, considering, this crazy just outbreak of tornadoes this year. It's kind of happened. Yeah, we already had a big gust of wind knock off a couple of people's houses' shingles. And we got damage on our house too. That's not fun. But that's it for today. So just be prepared for big storms and stuff. Now remember, weather never sleeps.